Hello friends, this is Rico from WMTCNC China. Today I'm glad to recommend you our Horizontal Machining Center HMC630. Horizontal Machining Center HMC630 has several advantages. For example, in high precision and efficiency, versatility in processing various materials. These advantages make the Horizontal Machining Center ideal for a wide range of applications, including automotive, aerospace, and mold making industries. HMC630 is with work table size 630mm length and width, max loading 900 kg, spindle hole tier BT50, and spindle speed range 20 to 6,000 RPM. Most accessories are made in Taiwan, Japan, and Germany. Okay, if you want to know more details about the Horizontal Machining Center, please follow us, WMTCNC. If you have any question and request, please feel free to ask us. We believe WMTCNC machines will help you very well.